trying out my Nightcore MH12, and this one is the version 1. I believe may version 2 and MH Pro, pero ito ay version 1, yung first release. Yan. Let's try it out. MH12 candlelight, second level, and third level. And burst mode. Yan. Works perfectly fine. Yan. Again, nabili ko siya for around, it was around 2014, I believe. And 2025 na ngayon, and so far alive and kicking. Yan. Madalas dito lang ako sa second level. This is Nightcore MH12 version 1.